Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samiksha and in today's video I'm going to give you a full packing list for all students who are moving to study in winter semester 2024. I would suggest that you watch this video with your mother, your sister, your brother or anyone who is helping you with the packing, because if you forget they remember, and always have a list to note down the things as and when I say it so you don't miss anything important. सबसे पहले खाने पीने की बातें कर लेते हैं, तो I'm going to start with kitchen items first. Let's talk about utensils. So the most important utensil is pressure cooker. The second one is kadhai, tawa, saucepan to make chai, coffee. Cutlery, bring a steel water bottle because this helps you keep your water warm during the winter so you can have sip on warm water. Bring chakla belan. Chopping board can serve the purpose of chakla if you don't have the space for that. But don't forget belan. And then मसालेदानी, मसाले रखने के लिए अपने mainly all the kitchen items. If you forget a kitchen item, अगर आप कुछ plate, glass, cup, छोटी मोटी चीज़ें भूल जाते हो लाना, तो the best place to go to get them in Germany is Teddy, or you could go to Woolworth, or you could go to Action. So these are some stores where you will get something that you forget in kitchen items. Then let's talk about food items. So सबसे important item यहाँ पे है ghee. Ghee is very expensive in Germany, so please bring ghee from home. Bring tea. If you are a tea lover, bring tea leaves. It's also very expensive here. सारे मसाले जो भी आप use करते हैं घर में. Dry fruits, dates are good to bring because you get them in Germany, but आप winter में आ रहे हो तो, and when you are new, it can take you some time to figure out कहाँ पे क्या मिलता है. Get the dry fruits and dates when you are coming for the first time, and 1-2 months later you can see in the supermarkets कि आप क्या खरीद सकते हो वहाँ से, कैसे alternatives मिलते हैं. फिर मैगी, ऊडल्स, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ एक्सपेंसिव हैं, तो आप ले आइए. एज अ स्टूडेंट इट हेल्प्स यू इन योर फ्यू इनिशियल डेज टू हेल्पिंग सम रेडी टू ईट पैकेट्स. लड्डू, अचार, चटनी, जो भी मम्मी, मासी, भूआ प्यार से दे रहे हैं उसको मना मत करना. इफ देयर इज अ ट्रेड ऑफ बिटवीन लड्डू एंड समथिंग एल्स, गो फॉर लड्डू. Everything else can be bought in the Indian store, and there are also some Indian alternatives like chole rajma, masoor ki dal, suji that you get in the German supermarket. I'll move to the clothes section now. Let's talk about the winter clothes. So sabse pehle you could bring 2 sets of thermals. Bring a fleece jacket. This helps you layer. You can bring a warm jacket, or the best thing would be to buy one here. You can buy winter clothing during the Black Friday sale, which occurs between mid to around last week of November. You could bring 1 to 2 sweaters. Myntra is a good option if you're shopping from India. Bring gloves and woolen socks. You can bring a winter cap. ये सारी चीज़ें जर्मनी में मिलती हैं, ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली मिलती हैं और अच्छी मिलती हैं ज़्यादा, क्योंकि यहाँ के विंटर के हिसाब से वो आइटम्स बने हुए हैं. लेकिन अगर आप सितंबर में आ रहे हो, then you have some time to look and find and buy the things that you want before winter starts in November. But if you come during November, or for some reason you're coming late in the winter semester, then at least have one cap, one ruffle and socks, because then you are prepared, it's not like first week में ही आपको shopping जाना पड़े, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 1-2 महीने के हिसाब से आप आइए, फिर थोड़ा टाइम आप सेटल हो जाते हो तो obviously you can go out and shop, but these one pair you could bring with yourself. Just want to mention here that you could bring 2 traditional set of clothes because the Indian community in Germany also organizes a lot of Indian festivals. दिवाली celebrate होती है, होली होती है, तो इन ओकेजन्स पे जाने के लिए, या फिर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जब सेलिब्रेट करते हो तो फिर इट्स नाइस टू बी इन इंडियन क्लोथिंग. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस यू कैन ब्रिंग 2 sets of traditional Indian clothes and whatever casual clothes for your daily wear, home wear. Okay, shoes में please bring slippers. घर पे पहनने के लिए ठंडा होता है floor, so it will be nice if you get slippers. So nice comfortable pair of walking shoes. Snow shoes आप यहाँ ले सकते हो बाद में. दिसंबर जनवरी के टाइम पे होता है स्नो, तो तब तक you will be well settled here to identify what kind of snow shoes you want. But bring a nice pair of walking shoes. You can also bring a pair of formal shoes for interviews or any formal occasions that you might have to attend. इंडिया से लाओगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. You could bring pillow, bed sheet. तो 2 sets should be enough, depending on whether you have a double bed or a single bed in whatever accommodation you've got. Usually dorms में single beds होते हैं, तो उसके लिए you can bring a single bed sheet and pillow cover. You can also bring a blanket. You get blankets here, winter blankets, but you get it slightly cheaper in India. The second thing is that you will have something to survive for the first few weeks if you bring something from home. You can bring a hot water bag in case आपका हीटर बंद पड़ जाता है, हीटर नहीं चल रहा है, हीटिंग सिस्टम बंद है और लैंडलॉर्ड बोलता है कि आई विल गेट इट करेक्टेड, उसमें कुछ 1-2 दिन का टाइम लगेगा, तो वो 1-2 दिन आप क्या करोगे, एक वार्म हॉट वाटर बैग लेके आना, उसमें आप एटलीस्ट वार्म वाटर भर के रजाई में लेके उसको सो सकते हो. दिस वाज सजेस्टेड बाय वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स जिसके साथ ये सिचुएशन हुई थी. लेट्स मूव टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. तो लैपटॉप, charger, mobile phones, you all know best what is best for you. The most important thing is that if you own laptops, if you're bringing laptops and mobile phones from India, then get this converter, because the electronic socket in Germany is different. So get this India to European converter so that you can plug your cables on this and then put this into the socket. Very important. This is a very important thing. इसको Amazon से order कर लो. यहाँ पे थोड़ा expensive मिलता है. I'll move to medicines. So get the most common medicines. If vomiting की दवाई, सिर दर्द की दवाई, जो भी common medicines है वो तो आप लेके आना. प्लस अगर आप कोई स्पेशल मेडिकेशन खाते हैं तो उसकी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ना भूलें, प्लीज़ उसको साथ लेके आइए अपने डॉक्टर से लिखवा कर. And have this prescription along with your medicines. If you wear spectacles, then get an extra pair of spectacles, because if they break here, then getting a new set can be expensive. तो इंडिया से 1-2 set of extra spectacles ले आओ. Toiletries, you get tons of options in DM or Rossmann. These are the two stores that you can find all kinds of toiletries, body wash, hand wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, whatever you name it, and very affordable. These are drugstores basically. But if you use specific skincare items, then bring them from India. You may or may not find it here. So if there's something very specific that you use and you can't do without it, then carry enough of it. For the girls, you can bring your sanitary pads that is most comfortable for you from India. You get also similar things here, but of course if there is something that again you can't do without, it's very comfortable for you, then just carry enough from India to Germany, and यहाँ आके फिर आप figure out कर सकते हो what suits you best. Finally, I'll come to documents. So please bring your original documents. You can उन ओरिजिनल्स का एक या दो जेरोक्स कॉपी मैं बोलूँगी ले आओ, बिकॉज इंडिया में जेरोक्स कराना सस्ता है, यहाँ पे महंगा पड़ता है जेरोक्स कराना. और दूसरी बात है कि इफ़ यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट 1 set of notarized copies of your Xeroxes from India in case you need to submit it somewhere, but carry some sets of Xerox copies and notarized copies, because you never know, for something maybe you require it. If specifically आपकी university ने बोला है that you must submit a certain set of documents, then it's better to come prepared. We really miss the fact कि इंडिया में 1 रुपए का एक कॉपी हो जाता है और यहाँ पे उसी कॉपी के 10 रुपए देने पड़ रहे हैं. एग्जाम्पल है. क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि नोटबुक, स्टेशनरी, what about these items? So again, stationery, I would say if you forget something, pen, pencil, rubber, ये सब अगर आप भूल जाते हो तो you can visit your nearest Teddy store, Mueller, the Euro Shop, One Euro Shop or Woolworths. These are good affordable stores. यहाँ पे आपको आपकी स्टेशनरी मिल जाएगी. नोटबुक्स, 1-2 नोटबुक्स ला सकते हो अगर स्पेस है लगेज में. 1-2 नोटबुक्स इंडिया से ले आओ if you immediately need to start your going to university from the next day that you arrive. Then bring 1 notebook, but otherwise you can buy notebooks from here. Finally, the question is how much cash should I bring? So I would suggest that 500 to 700 euros in cash is enough. I do not suggest bringing too much of cash, because then you have to be utterly responsible for that cash. You want to carry more money, please, you could put your money in a forex card, or you could bring your international debit card. वो भी आप use कर सकते हो. तो ये कुछ options है. बाकी I think that if you have a KVR, if you've got an accommodation with an Anmeldung, then you will be able to open a bank account in 2 to 3 weeks, and in this time this amount of money should be more than enough to suffice you. Okay, I'm done with my list. There are specific questions you are confused कि ये रखें या ना रखें, तो please write your question in the comment section. You can also, if personally text me on Instagram or write me an email at careercraftingwithsamiksha@gmail.com. And I hope you find this information helpful. Try to not overload your luggage, weigh it properly at home. If it's overweight, then you can have problems at the airport and it can worry you. You know, you already are anxious traveling the first time alone to a new country, and then upar se ye sari cheezein at the airport will increase your anxiety more. You might have to pay extra money, and honestly it's not worth it. So really, if you have questions कि ये रखें क्योंकि लगेज ओवरवेट हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ आस्क मी, आई विल लेट यू नो कि इसका क्या अल्टरनेटिव मिलता है जर्मनी में और अराउंड कितने एक्सपेंसिव है कि अफोर्डेबल है, ताकि आप डिसीजन अपना उस बेसिस पे कर पाओ. That was all for today's video. If you find my video informative, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified for my next video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.